now, I would like to invite Madiha for explaining budget terminologies. Please come on the stage. Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to all of you. First of all, I want to introduce myself. I am Madiha, daughter of Muhammad Chan Sahab. I am from Gulbarga. Recently, I have done personality development workshop where I learned spoken English and computer. I'm duly interviewed to Madrasa Hussan al-Banat and Sunnah English Medium School for offering as a personality development workshop where I learned spoken English and computer. Today, I want to talk about budget. You have to know, my beloved sisters, interest or riba is a major sin. قال تعالى في القرآن المجيد والفرقان الحميد الذين يأكلون الربا لا يقومون إلا كما يقوم الذي يتخبطه الشيطان من المس ذلك بأنهم قالوا إنما البيع مثل الربا وأحل الله البيع وحرم الربا فمن جاءه موعظة من ربه فانتهى فله ما سلف وأمره إلى الله ومن عاد فأولئك أصحاب النار هم فيها خالدون يمحق الله الربا ويربي الصدقات والله لا يحب كل كفار أثيم. Let's know the translation of these verses. Those who consume interest will stand on judgment day like those given to maidens by Satan's touch. That is because they say, trade is no different than interest, but Allah has permitted trading and forbidden interest. Whoever refrains after having received warning from their Lord may keep their previous gains and their gains left to Allah. As for those who persist, it is they who will be the resident of the fire. They will be there forever. Allah has made interest fruitless and charity fruitful, and Allah does not like any ungrateful evildoer. قال تعالى يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله وذروا ما بقي من الربا إن كنتم مؤمنين فإن لم تفعلوا فأذنوا بحرب من الله ورسوله وإن تبتم فلكم رؤوس أموالكم لا تظلمون ولا تظلمون يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تأكلوا الربا أضعافا مضاعفة واتقوا الله لعلكم تفلحون. Let's come on the translation. O believers, fear Allah and give up standing interest if you are true believers. If you don't, then beware of a war with Allah and His Messenger. But if you repent, you may retain your principle, neither inflicting nor suffering harm. O believers, do not consume interest. Multiply it many times over and be mindful of Allah, so you may prosper. Ladies and gentlemen, now the question is there any kind of interest in our budget? And what is a budget? A budget is a spending plan that outlines your income, expenses, and other financial goals like savings and debt pay down. It's an estimate of how much money you will make and spend over a certain period of time, such as a month or year. As well as a budget is an official statement by the government of the country's income from taxes, etc., and how it will be spent. As you know budget terminologies, so let's talk about this. Revenue budget, adopted budget, capital budget, fiscal deficit, base budget, direct and indirect taxes, interim budget, encumbrance, appropriation, assessed valuation, expenditure, union budget, bond, excess grants, authorized budget, expense, fiscal policy, balanced budget, finance bill, accrual basis, debt service, GDP, the gross domestic product, deficit, financial statements. Hope you understood my valuable points. Thank you so much. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.